Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Traders Up Catch-up Series Friday edition with me, Baffa, popularly known as CBNFX. Today, let's see, no. Okay, let me give you a recap of my last videos analysis. I think last month I gave I gave you analysis on two pairs, which are ULUSD and USD let's take a look at how they play out on those two pairs. I'm just going to give you a recap of what happened. Yeah, okay, these are the two pairs. Yeah. So last month, my analysis started from this point right here. From this point where when I give analysis, how USD index was very strong, and my position was this particular pair to soar higher up to 109.64. So that was my projection as was as that month, and you can see how it plays out. Hit this resistance level. We have a pullback with projection here with this price action. We had another rise up, currently at 107. So I just want to give you some certain insight on what happened while why display was playing out. So we had some technical insights. For example, yes, I think, yeah, right here. I'm much interested on this indecisive candlestick that appear, which will make a lot of people like to think maybe price will change direction and come down. So unfortunately, this indecisive candlestick, those that were going long right from here, seeing this indecisive candle makes them to exit the trade. Meanwhile, look at what happened after this candlestick. Of course, when it closed, we have a doji next, and next we have this inflow candlestick. This inflow candlestick is what I'm interested on. Yeah, this one right here. So despite the fact that we have this indecisive candlestick right here, which signifies, okay, the market will be changing at any time soon, but it doesn't change. The next candle after it closed was a doji, and a doji, is still an indecisive candlestick, which might give you a change of direction, but rather what happened was we had this inflow bullish candlestick. Yeah. And what happened, let me zoom it so I can. I'm talking about this candlestick right here. So already on my H4, on my lower time frame, I had this resistance level and also project price might hit any of this level. If this indecisive candlestick was respected, Price might go down here or even come down to this level, and before it to now go up. But it broke up this resistance. This is a key resistance. In the lower time frame, if you go down, you find out that you have a resistance level right here, and the push occur before this indecisive candlestick happen. So this candlestick give you the insight, oh, okay, we're still bullish. Despite the fact that we have this candlestick after this bullish candlestick. You understand? So that doesn't mean you exit your trade or seeing this indecisive, you not exit it. No. Look at the previous candlestick and look at what happened previously. So always, if you're trading, you need to be uh, going back, checking. Okay, you need to be back testing what had happened before my current price, what had happened before my current price. Okay, and look at what we have. We have this bullish candlestick which broke up this resistance level with a very strong bullish momentum. So the next candlestick, despite the fact that it is indecisive, that doesn't mean you have a change of trend direction. No. And also look at what happened. The reason why I even hold the trade was seeing this inflow candlestick, which you can see how it saw up to 107.913, currently at 107.913. So I'm still bullish on the US index, and as far as my forecast on this UTD I'm not. I'm still holding, and I will hold till 109. My initial projection on UTD. And also, I think that's other what I have on display. I'm just updating you on what has happened right from the beginning for almost more than 30 days now. So you go to daily charts, you can see how it's still pushing, still pushing, going up. So 109, let me just pinpoint. Yeah, yeah, this is my projection right here. Okay, 109. So see what will happen. We are still here right now. So price might come back and test this resistance level right here and then move up. So, but I'm still holding right now. Anytime soon, I might have a price action impulse, which will give me maybe a confirmation that we test this um, resistance, which now become a support level, and then move down, move up. I'm very sure it will not pass this key level 106.661. So even if it will come down, I'm still bullish on this scale. So that's the bigger picture of the USDJPY. This my position. Seeing price come down here, then move up. The same thing what happened here, right here. And move up. The same thing what happened here. Come back, retest, and move up. Come back, retest, and move up. So this is what I'm looking at. So I think that's all that on this GBP Let's take a look at ERSD, which was the second pair I gave you guys. So on ERSD, this is the H4. Let's go to D1. So on ERSD, we already had a projection of going down since last month, but it hit my stop loss somewhere around this area right here. My position was this big right from here. Yeah, from here, price will hit, come back, and yeah, that was my position right from here. After this impulse, my thinking was if price come back here, it will now go down up to this level. So what happened is something came up. Euro pair were soaring higher, and I got stopped out around this area because my stops was here, and it reversed up. So I got stopped out around this area, and later on, still price was going higher. Price still to go higher. Hit my stops. And my position was to hit here and go down, but it didn't. So it went up, hit my stop, go up. Then later on, it rejects with this price action, this pin bar, it rejects this level, and now price is going down. We are now at 1.19575, which I'm very optimistic, and this price should go down to this level. Yeah, so we might have some pullbacks along the way to this level. So that's that. Yeah, I got stopped out, so I was not holding the trade. I got hit, so I just have to leave it. I just have to leave the trade, but nevertheless, my position is going as expected. So right now, this is what I'm seeing. Price broke this level. I can see I can go all the way down to this level. Yes, you can see this. Yeah. Remember, this is a daily chart. So if you come back to lower level, what you'll be finding is you'll just be looking for a retracement up so they can have a re-entry. Yes, it can pull up from this level, so you can have your entry on a lower time frame. So go as low as the H1 and go as low as 1 hour chart or 30-minute chart. So what you're looking for is just a pullback. A pullback will give you maybe here. Okay, now you can place your entry, your sell limit around this area. So this is that I want USD. I wish I can give you another pair, but today is NAP and I don't want to look to you guys. But next week, sure. I've given you two projection on the USD and USD So let me give you one more pair of looking at this month. This is just a recap on what happened on USD and USD. I think you can go check. This is what I'm looking at right now. On this month, I'm going to trade GBP USD. If anyone is with me, we can swing this pair. So I've started the production, which I'm seeing. What I'm seeing right now, okay, so I'm seeing. This is a daily chart, and look at how the weekly chart close. This is how the weekly candlestick close. Yeah, look at it. Look at weekly last month. This is the last month candlestick. Look at this candlestick we have now. So if it continues to close, if it continues to be bearish, then this is my position on it. I have this, and also let's check the monthly chart candlestick. Last month, despite the fact that on the monthly chart we have a very strong up movement. You see, this is my position last month. Because if price should break this resistance level, then you can see price going to 1.70 0.411. Yes, 1.7411. That's my position. So, but if on the lower time frame right now, what I'm seeing is a pullback. Yeah. So that was why I did this. You can see if price should be check. This one I'm seeing. Price might hit this broken resistance level, test and move up so that we can continue the up movement. Hit this level, go up, come back, then move up. That's what I'm saying. If in any case price did not respect this level, then we can see it can still pull back. We know I'm looking at the higher time frame impulse. Okay, that's why if it keeps going down, then you can even test this level right here. So, but still the overall momentum on the trend is going up. That's what I'm thinking. So in any case, if price did not respect this level, I go down to this level. But if it respect this level right here, this broken resistance, then you can now have a movement going up. That's my projection. That's the pair I'm going to focus on this month. I think that's all I have for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe icon for more videos coming your way. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.